Campfire by Janet Long. Read by Johnny Kissel. Just think, when Mother was my age, she could build a fire with sparks from rocks, catch a bunch of grasshoppers, and roast up a light summer snack. Give me good sticks, she says, thin but strong. I pick up one from the woods behind the tent. On the way back, I see a bag by her feet. Could it be? With the fire spitting ready, she reaches in the bag, rustling. It hits me one big, fat, luscious marshmallow.